Hello, welcome back student to design and analysis of algorithm subject. This is the last topic in unit 5. This is related to NP hard, NP complete, okay, and this is common for the 6th SEM IT and 6th SEM CSE for design and analysis of algorithm, okay. So today's objective is NP complete problems. We are going to see what are the NP complete problems, and we are going to see the clicks, and we are going to see the vertex cover VC, and we are going to see the class scheduling problem. As we have completed in the previous lecture about the NP, okay, we completed the P, NP, okay, and NP hard, and we completed the NP complete. Okay. So, these are the things we discuss, and this is the basic concept of the NP, P and NP. As I told you, P is a subset of NP. Okay. Still the research is going on it. Many of the researchers are looking for the best time, because this is a polynomial time, because whatever the problems we are getting with the help of non-deterministic polynomial time, that type of problem they are trying to convert in the polynomial time. Okay. So here this polynomial time problems, as we discussed in the previous lecture, that is searching, sorting, okay, binary search tree, that kind of problems can be solved in a polynomial time. And NP is like traveling salesperson problem, Hamilton cycle problem. This all are the problems are NP problem. Here we are going to use the non-deterministic algorithm to solve the problem. Okay. So that is also one part is NP. From the NP there is a NP complete problems. Okay. What are the NP complete problems we are going to see? Okay. Problems that cross the line means whatever the problem, if you could not able to solve in a polynomial time, then you need to use the non-deterministic algorithm to solve that problem. So what is this? What if a problem has, the first one, an exponential upper bound, means if you have 2 power n, so this is a exponential, okay. So this will be a very huge number. If the n is equals to 10,000, okay, then it will be a huge number, okay. So this is called the exponential. In the first unit we already discussed the linear, constant, linear, okay, linear, logarithm, cube, square, okay. This all the order of growth, this is called order of growth. Order of growth we already discussed in the first unit. In that we will have the constant, linear, logarithm, then square, cube, quadratic, okay, then so on. The last one will be the exponential, okay. So this will be the upper bound, the highest limit is upper bound, and a polynomial is lower bound, okay. Polynomial is lower bound. This also we have completed in asymptotic notation in the first unit itself, okay. Fine. We have only found exponential algorithm, so it appears to be interactable, okay. It appears to be interactable, okay, but we can't prove that an exponential solution is needed. We can't prove that a polynomial algorithm cannot be developed. So we can't say the problem is interactable. So here in the next slide you are going to see, when we have the non-deterministic polynomial problems, for that we need to guess. We need to guess the things and we need to get the answer, but when we come to the polynomial time, we will get the accurate. Okay. Next, NP complete problems. So in NP complete problems, upper bound suggests the problem is interactable. Okay. The lower bound suggests the problem is trackable. Okay, this is a difference, and the lower bound is linear order of n. This is lower bound. Okay, and what is upper bound? Upper bound is exponential, 2 to the power of n. Okay, if we have a upper bound, then it will be a difficult for tracking. Okay, we cannot track the things, but when we have a lower bound, in the lower bound suggests to a problem to a trackable. Okay, they are all reducible to each other. Okay, they are all reducible to each other. Here, if we find a reasonable algorithm or proof interactability for one, then we can do it for all of them. Means, like, what is the main of the NP complete is, whatever the NP complete is there, NP complete, okay, sorry, whatever the NP complete problems we have, that all we can say NP hard. Okay, whatever the problems are coming under the NP complete, that all problems we can say that are the NP hard, but all the NP hard problems we cannot say NP complete. Okay, whatever the NP complete problems are there, that all are NP hard, but all the NP hard problem is not a NP complete. Okay, so the NP complete we are doing with the help of non-deterministic algorithm, remember that. Okay, this is a one type of problem, traveling salesperson, already we have done with the help of dynamic programming, and we have done with the branch and bound technique. So here, what the traveling salesperson problem, you have to start from any one, from any node you can start, but you have to visit all the vertices once and you have to come back again to original position, first position. Okay, so for the given graph, it is visiting all the vertices, okay, and reaching back to the starting point. So I am considering this is a starting point. So already we have done how to solve this, just I am showing this problem is a NP complete problem. Okay, it is starting from here. Okay, then it's going here, then next, then again here, 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 it is visiting once and it is going here, it is going here, then the last like this. Okay, it is traveling like this. When it is travel like this, we got the answer, it is reaching to the starting point again after visiting all the vertices. So we have taken the example of map. So it is visited all the cities and reach to starting position. Okay, this is a one type of problem, traveling salesperson problem is a NP complete problem. Okay, so this is one example. 5 clicks. So this is, we have to select in the graph in such a way that when we select, if we don't select this black color and red color, if you see, so black color nodes, if you did not select, no problem, but if you select red color, then you can go to any one of these nodes. Okay. So these 5 are clicks, 5 clicks. When you make like this, then it will be 5 clicks. Hamilton cycle. What is the Hamilton cycle? It is also a Hamilton cycle should start from the starting point and reach to again it will come back to the first graph. So this is also we have completed in our Hamilton cycle while using the backtracking. Okay, we have completed this Hamilton cycle with the dynamic programming. Okay, so whatever the problems are there are the different methods are there to solve the problem. So we can solve the problem. I will show you after this. Map coloring. Okay, we have already done this graph coloring topic. Okay, graph coloring. No two color should be same to the adjacent nodes. Okay, here the color is blue. Okay, here, but you cannot give the adjacent node of this blue color same. Okay, for the adjacent node of this color you cannot give the same color what the color it has. So because of that it's given the red color here and here green, because here the adjacent of this vertices is right 1 and 2, there is a 2 nodes are there for this blue. So it is a green color and it is red color. This 2 also, these 3 all are different color. So here from the red it's going to blue. I cannot give here red because red is here. I cannot give the green because green is also connected to this. So I can give the blue color, the different color. Okay, and the right hand side I can give the green color. Like this you need to give the different colors. Okay, while solving this problem. Already this problem also we have done with the dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. Okay, this is topic is graph coloring. Okay, in this graph coloring no two same color to the adjacent nodes. Okay, you should not give the same color to the adjacent nodes. Next, vertex cover. Okay, this all problems are come under in NP complete problem. Okay, given a graph and integer k, is there a collection of k vertex such that each edge is connected to one of the vertex in the collection. Okay, in the collection. So can you see this? Okay, this is in the graph K is a collection of k vertices. This all the you can say the vertices or nodes. You can say any one of the name, no problem. So such that each edge, this is edge, Okay, edge is connected to one of the vertices in the collection. Okay, it is like a collection. Okay, here the different for here too, but the same graph we change in a collection. You can see all are connected. Okay, so this is all vertex cover VC. So here class scheduling problem. Okay, here with n teachers, example, if we are taking what is class scheduling problem, with n teachers with certain hours restriction m class to be schedule can be. So what is the conditions? Schedule all the classes, make sure that no two teachers teach the same class at the same time. Okay, because as you see your timetable, the same thing, class scheduling problem, that no two teacher teach the same class at the same time. Okay, no teachers is scheduled to teach two classes at once. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, two teachers cannot teach the same class at the same time, and here one teacher cannot take two classes at the same time. So this is class scheduling problem, but in online we can do all of things, but class scheduling problem is this. Okay, pair programming problem. This is one type of problem. Here with n students and k projects, okay, number of projects, where n is even, can we assign pair of students to each project. Okay, assign pair of students to each project. Every student works on every project. No student has the same partner more than one. Okay, if one project 1, the rule number is 1, 2, 3 is there, but we cannot add in project 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the same number. So this is not allowed. No student has the same partner more than once. Okay, this should not be happen whenever you are selecting the project. So this is pairing, when you are pairing the problem. Previously it was the class scheduling problem, and this is pairing problem, programming problem. Okay, this is about the thing what we have discussed here. Now graph isomorphic, and this is a NP Hart. Okay, this is NP Hart. Till here we will get the NP complete, whatever we have discussed here, this class scheduling, VC, map coloring, Hamilton cycle, clicks, traveling salesperson, this all will come under in NP complete. Now graph isomorphic. So this is a graph. Okay, graph G and graph H. Here you can see an isomorphic between G and H. FA is equals to 1. Okay, FB is equals to 6. Concentrate on the same color. Okay, and FC, what is C here? C is here yellow. C 8. Okay, next one is F of D is equals to 3. This D blue color here 3 blue. Okay, isomorphic we are doing here. G is a green, is phi. Okay, H is 2 here, H is 2 here. Okay, in the same way I 4 and J is purple color is 7. So, the isomorphic between the graph G and H is this. Okay, f of a is equals to 1, we are checking and we are getting the isomorphic result there. Okay. So, this NP and P already we have discussed in the previous lecture. P is a decision in the solving in a polynomial time, and NP we need to take the decision. Okay. And we will get to verify this. NP complete, what we have discussed now, a problem X that is in NP is also a NP complete. Okay, if and only if every other problem in NP can be quickly, that is in polynomial time, quickly means in the polynomial time, transform into X. In other words, X is in NP and every problem in NP is reducible to X. Okay. So, what we make NP complete so interesting is that if any one of the NP complete problems was to be solved quickly, then all NP problem can be solved quickly. So, here as you remember the draw, this is polynomial time and this is NP, non-polynomial time. Okay, every problem is NP is reducible to X. So, here we can say NP complete is a NP. Okay, how we are telling? Because the relationship between here, this is NP complete and this is NP hard. So, like this we can say the problem X that is in NP, whatever is present in this NP is also a NP complete. Yes, we can say, because this is an interact